start by wrapping the bangle with the golden thread, and here the reason why I'm using golden thread is as I'll be using 4x4 gold square kundans. And then here I secure the thread at one end by pasting the glue, and we have to leave some time so that the glue dries completely, because you will be pulling the thread tightly and then wrapping the bangle so that you won't get looseness in the wrapping. So here, and one more tip that we have to follow, by holding the thread tightly, you have to also make sure the thread between your finger is even, and this would give you a seamless finish. And you also have to complete this wrapping the thread in one go. So finally I'll get a small space wherein I adjust such that only one wrap of the thread fits there. And I also make sure the thread is knots free, which would be convenient for me to wrap the thread. And here I hold the thread very tightly with my one hand, and then I apply a small amount of glue, and then I press against the bangle. So here I would get a fine line of the glue, so this would indicate me where I have to trim the thread. So on the line exactly I would trim the thread and then paste it. And to secure it properly, I also apply a bit more glue and then secure it. And now I start by applying glue to half of the bangle. So once the glue dries, it becomes a bit, if it dries it becomes sticky. So for me it would be easy to stick the beads. That is the reason why I apply half bangle at a stretch. And here firstly I start with pasting a 4x4 gold kundan, and then followed by a tube bead. So this would be my design pattern, and I continue pasting like this for the entire bangle. So one more thing that we have to remember while pasting these kundans is, in a one go you can go on pasting your kundans alternatively, and then also you have to make sure that your kundans are aligned in one line, which would give you a more precise look, and your customers would love that precision. The bangle size that I've taken is 2.6 size, and the strands of the golden thread, it depends upon your bangle size as well. So for a 2.6 size I've taken 30 strands of the thread, and I've taken 100 centimeters length. You can take any length, but it would be better if you wrap your bangle in a one stretch. So make sure you take a lengthy thread, and also make sure your kundans fit seamlessly with the beginning, so that it gives a complete design flow. And not too very even. If that doesn't work, also you can paste one more tube bead. There you go. This is the final look. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.